What's up guys, welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to schedule appointments for your clients through Instagram. Alright, at the bottom right hand corner there's a little X. Click on that, go to appointments, and look for the date and schedule the time. Also, don't forget to toggle the button, the blue button that you see right there where it says add to external calendar. That is very important and super cool because it will add this appointment. This appointment will be added to your iPhone calendar. And then for the title, you can put pick up cake or graduation treats or pick up cookies, whatever you name it. Yeah, so this will send a reminder to your client and to yourself, which is so freaking cool. Also, Instagram lets you schedule multiple appointments for one client. Like for example, this client here has two pickups, one on June 3rd and the other one is on June 10th. So here I am scheduling the second appointment for her, like her second pickup. And then at the end, the client is able to confirm the appointment by liking it, and also they can put their personal information on there, like their number, their email, and I forgot the other part, but it's so cool. I love it. I mean, if you take orders through Instagram, I feel like this tool will be very helpful. I know other people take orders differently, but I do it through Instagram. So after you created your schedules, your appointments, sorry, after you have created your appointments, this is how it's going to look like. And your client will get a notification that you created or you scheduled an appointment for them. And then this is how it's going to look like on your calendar. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I have a question for you guys. I want to know, what are you struggling with? It can be from like making a cake pop, doing a cake, managing your time. You don't know how to manage your time, how to get more clients. I don't know. I need you guys to tell me because I want to help you guys. I want to create content, but it's so hard for me to create content when you guys don't give me ideas. I'd be so freaking lost. So please, in the comment section, let me know what you're struggling with or what we like to learn so I can create content for you guys. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys learned something new. But yeah, this feature is so cool for small business owners. Alright guys, see you guys on my next video. Bye.